we're going to Beechwood. We're going to Beechwood for our lunch. Not lunch anymore, innit? Our dinner. No, it's lunch only. Just wake up in it. Ayan, dito kami at may papunta kakain sa labas, guys. Kami sa labas for today. Nice weather. Nice weather. Nice weather today. Sunny but cold. Ayan, we are here.
What is this sexy top you're wearing?
Where's that sexy belly on there?
And this trousers.
Ayan, niloloko ko ng dalawa. Oh. Ayan sila. Oh. Ayan kami. Dito kami kakain.
Kyle, what's this cute little bubble she's got going on?
Asan ang granddad mo? There you are.
His breath before I came up.
Yeah. There you are. Si granddadon. Come on, ayan yung apo ko. Nakain kami dito. Yeah, dito kami kakain. Oh. Kita nyo, ayan. Arego.
Wait 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Waiting 40 minutes? Sila. Fish and chips daw sila.
Fish and chips.
Oh, being salad now.
What's standard kind? Standard and small? No.
Video yan.
What was it? How many come back? Count again. 6, 7. 6, 7.
Put some rice here. Kumuha na kayo ng mga nice. Ayan ang aming ano. May habi. Ayan. Casey.
I'm jealous of you.
Ayan sila, oh, guys.
Well, that's your own fault.
Ayan, guys, sa mga dinner namin. Ayan, guys, oh. Thank you, Elwin. Thank you, Kyle. You're happy. Kay happy, ayan, oh. Casey, fish and chips. Frankie, ayun, nangalahati na. Ito yung sa akin. Busog mats, guys.
Ano yung mag-u-uber ka na lang?
Huh? Huh?
Still eating.
Yeah, we're off to. Wala sagbo.
So, ayan, finish. Walang sayang. Ayan. Say hello. Guys, mag-ano kayo dyan sa apo ko. Casey Leo. Ayan, subscribe kayo guys dyan. Ayan, Casey, ano? Ang ano mo, channel?
Casey Leo. I don't
Casey
post
Leo,
anymore.
guys. Ayan.
Chicken noodle soup.
Ang sarap, guys. Enjoy ako, guys. Enjoy ako, loko.
All exclusive over here.
It's still Sunday. You won't be able to stay in the hotel. You're gonna have to sleep in your car.
Yeah, bro. Okay, bro. Check in 28.
Oh, you can't finish that one.
Just show you.
You're happy na kain pa rin.
There's one extra. Huwag nila ikaw.
Kasi, anak kong babae. Anak kong lalaki, wala rito. Kami lang.
Right.
Yun, tapos na kami.
Felt it, bro.
Yan. Tapos na. Ayun yung marami, oh, pero konti lang. Kaya masarap guys. Matitikman nyo, masarap. Ayan. Ayan. Finish na guys. Finish na kami. Ayan. Naubos ko. Dessert, gusto nyo? Ako hindi na, busog na ako. Wala namang paglagyan. Sobrang kabusugan. Ayan o.
Kyle, you want dessert?
Nabusog sobra siya. Sabi ba, space for dessert. Oy. Ayun yung kanya kapiting lang natira. Tapos si Abby hindi pa matapos. Yan. Ayan. Oh, tapos Frankie. Mga wala. Ayun. Hindi na ubos. Oh. Ito nyo guys. Oh. Hindi na daw siya makahinga. Yan.
I'm gonna say it.
Oh yeah, Casey.
Say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye guys. Oh, Kyle. Kyle. Kyle.
See you.
Bye. Okay. Ay, Chloe. Bye-bye ka dyan. Oh, Chloe. Ay, Elwin. Bye-bye ka dyan. Bye. Frankie, bye-bye ka nga dyan.
Bye-bye.
Yan, bye-bye daw. O, Dok, bye-bye ka na, Dok. walang time magsabing bye-bye, hindi pa siya tapos kumain, guys. Oh. Ayan. Tapos ni Habi, oh, nakaw mata siya.
You want to come with me, you want to rock a gun, said I'm in the session.
Ayan, guys. Ano na kami? Palabas na kami. Ayan.
Palabas na sila.
Ayan, oh. Ah? No, because I'm holding this. Okay. Doon sila, they are there. That way. And we are here, this way. Ayun sila, doon yung car nila eh. Diyan ang car nyo eh, di ba?
I like that petrol.
Oh, okay then, bye-bye. Kiss a kiss. Okay, bye.
What does that mean?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What does that mean?
Ito mga ito, nakikita ko lang ito mga ito kapag kaganyan. Ayan, I don't see them all. Ayan sila. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, good night.
See you next week. See you
Bye,
guys.
Mama.
I
Love
never
ya. Bye,
see you. Love
Dad.
you.
Love ya.
Asan yung porcelas mo hindi mo sinusuot?
It wasn't full.
No, porcelas.
Sorry, with a jewelry box. 6.
Okay. See you. Ayun, doon na rin si Kyle nandito siya sa amin. Nakasakay ngayon, hindi na. Okay, we are here now. We are here now. On the way home. On the way home na kami, guys. Nakakasilaw. Ayan, nakakasilaw. My dear, no matter how I try. Ayan, palubog na ang araw. Kanina ang sikat-sikat ngayon medyo. Ayan, thank you so much. At kami ay pauwi na. Bye-bye for now. See you all again, guys. May araw dito. Ayan, ang araw niya. Sobra. O, nakakasilaw. Diba, guys? Tignan nyo, nakakasilaw. Grabe. Diba? Araw. nakakasilaw. Boteng umiilaw. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Ayan, masyadong nakakasilaw kasi yung araw kaya ako